Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify card replacement fees on Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify card replacement fees on Discover, start by visiting the Discover website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. In this section, look for the option labeled Card Replacement. Click on that option to proceed. Read through the information presented about card replacement fees. If it's not clear, locate the FAQ section on the website. Search for card replacement fees in the FAQ. This should provide detailed answers regarding any potential fees. Alternatively, you can contact Discover customer service directly. Call the number listed on the back of your card. Ask the representative specifically about card replacement fees. Ensure you clarify any circumstances that may affect the fees. Take note of any information provided during your inquiry. If applicable, other fees might be outlined in your cardholder agreement. Review that document for comprehensive details on fees and charges. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, you can make an informed decision on card replacement. If you still have questions, consider checking online forums or communities. This can sometimes yield additional insights from other Discover cardholders. By following these steps, you should have a clear understanding of Discover's card replacement fees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.